Enjoy welding with YesWelder.
My name's Melissa Phelan. I'm a CWB certified welding and fabrication technician and robotics weld programmer. I have been doing it for about 12 years, give or take. I first got into welding when I bought myself a 1996 Honda Civic, and I realized that the floor pan needed to be replaced in it. I welded in my whole Honda Civic floor pan with flux core gasless wire. At the beginning, it was more or less because I had to. But then after a while, I was like, you know, if I can fix anything just based on putting new metal in there, anything can be fixed. It's hard work, but it's also like kind of like a meditation where you get into your groove, you flip your hood down, nobody bothers you, and the whole world, like all your stresses go away because you're focusing on your weld. They say time goes by when you're having fun. I just think that time just goes by because that's what it does when you're welding, you know? A lot of women I've talked to have faced a lot of challenges and stigmas with men in the workplace. But like, there's a lot of men who are very accepting of women in the workplace, and there's lots of men who have helped me out in the workplace. I've learned lots from men in the workplace. But there is still a very big disadvantage for women in the welding industry, and the fact that we do not and will not ever get equal pay. I've worked beside men who have been doing the same jobs as me, who'd made 3 times as much as I was making in an hour. And it wasn't based on their skill, because their skill was basically on the same level as mine. It was based on the fact that they were a male, and they were in a male-dominated industry. So I would say it's not really the environment, it's more or less the pay equality that's never going to be up to par. So these are some of the stickers that I've received from my supporters, friends, and companies that I influence for, companies that I moderate for. It says, "Hi, thank you so much for the Insta support. Hope you like the stickers. See you on the gram. Thanks, Danette." These are just some of the little things that they send me. Lots and lots of support and cards. This is from YesWelder, another woman welder. I've heard that I've been motivating young women to keep going in their trade. I always hear that, like, you know, people are doing good, so yeah, I just kind of wanted to like get out there, tell my story, let women know that they can always come to me with their questions if they have some. You want to be like contributing to the society, you know? What I would say to myself 12 years ago, when I was first starting out, is I would say probably don't give up. All the little things that you think are a big deal right now are not going to be a big deal in 12 years. It's all going to make sense to you eventually when it needs to. So just keep on. Don't give up. Yeah.